Hi viewers, let us continue our video on ETABS. Next, we have to draw a steps here. Just select this. Okay. Now we have to select this corner like this. Here, just select the all stories. Here, all stories are selected. And go to view option. Here we have to see the highlighted objects only. Show selected objects only. Okay. So like this. Show highlighted objects only. And go to 3D view. To this. In here I want to CD structure like this. Okay, in this I want to take this story and okay, in this I want to select these members. So in this I want to select these members. When I select one member, all stories are selected. Why? Because when I am change here as single story to all stories, that's why here all stories are selected. It is single click. Here I want to give this copy to the bottom of half of the part, half of the floor. That means total floor is 3 meters, half of the floor means it will be 1.5. So Control V, Control C, Control V, copy and paste. So if not, we have to go to copy and click on paste. Here it is in which direction? It is in Z direction, minus Z direction, minus 1.5. Click on OK. Here it will be applied like this. Okay. Next step all, we have to take these joints forward. Go to define option. Here we have to take the. So here go to draw option. In this draw joint objects. Here give the all these are in mm. So it is in x-axis. How much it will be? 500 mm. So in this select the joint. Here it will be 15 mm. Okay, here next go to view option. Here show selected objects only. This is our selected object. It will be shown. Here I want to view the 3D plan. This is like this. And here I want to view the steps. Just zoom this. Like this. First of all I want to select this beam. Here all stories are selected. Here already all stories are selected. If you give one story, when you selected it, one story will be selected. When you are selected, it is an all stories. When you are selected, it is single select, all are selected like this. Now we want to copy this. Control C and Control V. If not, here we have the copy option and paste option. copy and paste, it is in the x direction -1. Just click on OK. Oh, I'm sorry, just go back. It is in z direction. Just select this and go to copy option and paste option. Here it is in z direction. In z direction it is in total story height will be 3 and it is the half of the story height, so it will be -1.5. It will be 0. Just click on OK. Yes. Here it will be like this. Now I want to select this beam and this beam. For this beam I want to view the divide these beams. Here go to edit option. Here we have the options of edit frames, divide the frames, and divide it into 2 types. Click on apply and click on OK. Here it will be divided like this. Here we have to go to plan option, select the base level and click on apply and click on OK. Here I want to add one beam. Just select the add beam option, draw beam option here, from here to here. Sorry. Take the draw beam option. Here it will be changing it as a beam property. Go to beam option. Here just select this joint from this joint. It will be outside of this. Just go undo this. Again take your drawing option. Is beam it is as 350. Yes. Okay. Now it will be escape and here go to the 3D plan. Yes, here also I want to divide this. Okay. Before we divide this, it will be joined here. That's why I want to escape again. Here I want to select one story. It is only selected. And now go to edit option. Here go to edit frames, divide the frame into 2, click on apply and click on OK. Here it will be divided like this. Before we have to divide this, it will be drawn. After drawn this beam, we have to select this as multi-story, all stories. Now we have to divide, it will be easy. It's okay, now it is completed. And again I want to select this beam. And it is also copy and paste. Go to copy and paste will be in x-axis -1. Here in z it will be 0. Click on OK. Yes, it will be added like this. Now again go to draw beam option, add floor, draw floor, first joint, second joint, third joint, fourth joint, and again this joint. It will be like this. Now it will be selected and go to edit option. Here edit shells, divide shells into 2 parts. One will be divided as 2 areas. Click on apply. Now areas will be 400. Okay. Here we have to select this by using shell. Yeah, here it will be divided as 1 will be 2 and click on apply and click on OK. Yes, here it will be divided as 2 areas, 1 and 2. It will be one area and this will be another area. Here just click on the shell, not a beam. Yes, like this. When you are select a shell, it will be selected middle of this beam, middle of this plate. It will be acted like this. If you click any corner, only beam will be selected. So here the shell will be selected, and again go to draw flow, draw wall. Here slab thickness will be 150, and again here we want to draw the slab. Like this, and again first note, second note, third note, fourth note, and initial note. Like this we have to draw the steps. Okay, just observe these steps. It will be like this. Yes, our steps are perfectly done like that. Okay. Then go to again plan option. Okay, first of all, we have to go to this, and here click on extrude points and extrude shells, and all of this click on OK. Here now it will be clear. We can observe like this. This is our beams and columns applied to the steps. Like this, it is very simple to draw your steps. Now again go to story 7 and click on OK and click on OK. It will be like this when we are seeing this in top view. And this is our 3D view of this building. Yes. Here, when you are off this, it will be off field. When you are taken this object field, it extrude from substitutions, all will be like that. All will be applied. Like it will be visible like this. Okay. So in our next video, we are going to discuss about load patterns and load combinations given to the building. Okay. Thank you.